Customize your home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to personalize the layout and look of your home screen. First, from your home screen, pinch inward with 2 fingers to open the home screen settings. From there, you'll see a few options at the bottom of the screen, including wallpapers, themes, widgets, and settings. After that, tap Wallpapers to change your background. From here, you can choose from the built-in wallpapers, pick one from your gallery, or browse through different categories. Following this, tap Widgets to add interactive elements to your home screen, like a clock, weather, calendar, or battery indicator. At this point, find the widget you want, tap and hold it, then drag it onto your home screen and drop it wherever you want it to sit. From here, tap Settings inside the home screen editor to access layout options, like changing the grid size, toggling on or off the app drawer, or enabling edge panels. After that, to move any app icon around, tap and hold it until it lifts, then drag it to a new position on the screen. Following this, to create a folder, drag one app icon on top of another and a folder will be created automatically. Tap the folder name to rename it whatever you like. Finally, to remove an app from the home screen without uninstalling it, tap and hold the icon and drag it to the Remove option that appears at the top of the screen. That's how you customize your home screen on Android. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch every upload. See you then!